topic is balancing. Balance. In Vedic mathematics, most of the numerical concept will depends upon the place values. Most of the questions depends upon the place values. In three ways, we can write the answers in three ways. Okay, let me take the one problem, easiest problem here. Suppose 32 times of 8 will be there. Okay, in general, how we are doing in normal way. 8 times of 2, that is 16, and 1 we are writing is a carry number. 8 times of 3 will be 24 plus 1, that is 25 we are writing. This is a normal way. But in Vedic mathematics, what we are doing, we are writing whatever place value number will comes, we are writing as it is. Suppose if you multiply 2 into 8, that is 16. That is a ones place actually. So 1 we are writing in the one place, 16 we are writing as it is. After that, we are using the slash to separate the place values. And 8 times of 3 will be 24. Whatever value you are getting the each and every place, we are writing as it is. But that is not the correct answer. So that is the reason we have to do the balancing. So we have to adjust the place values. So we can adjust the place values. The tens digit place value will be carried forward to the next place because look at it. What happened? This is a unit place. In each and every place, we can write single digit. Okay, just 1 minute. Yeah, sorry. What I'm saying here. Each and every place having a single digit except last place. So unit place in this question, unit place having two digits. So in the unit place, we can write on a single digit. In tens place also, we can write a single digit on. So whatever extra digit will be there, we have to carry forward to the next place. So that is the reason I want to carry the 1 to the tens place so that the value become here. I want to add that value. So 25, 6. This is the one way of balancing. And the another way also we can write here. That is 8 times of 2 will be here 16. So we are writing 6 like that and 1 will be the small number. Why? Because this is the carry forward number. Okay, and 8 times of 3 will be 24. 24 plus this one will be 25. This is the second way of doing balancing. And the third way of balancing will be here left to right. What we are doing? Left to right. Left to right means here 8 times. We have to start from the left side every time. When you are doing the balancing from left to right, we have to solve the problem left to right. So that is the reason 8 times of 3 will be 24. Okay, 24. I'm two writing, two writing, and the 4 will be carry forward as a tens. I will tell you why I'm writing tens. And next will be here 8 times of 2 will be 16. 16 plus this 40 number, that is 56. So this is the three ways we can do the balancing here. Okay. In this balancing, these two are right to left balancing. And this is will be right to left balance. Are you getting my point? So now we are going to see here all these three types in the today class. Okay. Got it? Clear?
Yes, sir. But what about bigger digits like
I will
two
tell you. I
digit?
will tell you.
Okay.
Just I am showing you how many types we can do the balancing.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Right. So first we will learn right to left balancing. Okay. Suppose I have three places. Let us assume three places. I got here suppose 8 and suppose here I'm getting 24 and here I'm getting 34. Let us assume. Just I'm taking randomly and separate the each and every place by the slash. Okay. Suppose I have four place values in the questions. In the four places, I'm getting 8 and the 24 and the 9 and the 34. Let us. So in general, what we are doing here, first we are writing unit place digit here as it is. And whatever extra digit will be there, we have to add to the tens place. Okay. So 10 place means first we are written 8, am I right? First we are written 8. And then now we are adding 0 to the 24. So that we are getting 24. Okay. So in the 24, I'm writing again 4. Okay, again 4. And the 2 will be carry forward again. So in the third step, what we are doing, 34 plus 2, that will be 36. So I'm writing 36 as it is, but because after 24, we don't have any place. Otherwise, 34 place, that is 100 place. This is unit place, this is tens, and this is a 100 place. 100 place are also having a single digit. But after 100 place, we don't have any place value. So that is the reason after adding 2 to the 100 place, whatever resultant value is there, I'm writing as it is. Is it clear, my point? So come to this one. Here I'm again dropping the 8 value. There is no carry number. So I'm directly going to the tens place. I'm writing next to unit place digit, and the extra digit will be carry forward here. So when you are adding 9 to the to the 2 is to the 9, 2 to the 9, then I'm getting 11. I'm getting 11. So in the 11, again I'm taking unit place digit only. Okay, unit place digit will be here 1. So I'm taking unit place digit, and the extra digit will be again carry forward. It 1 is added to the 34, then it become 30. This is our final solution. Okay, got it, my point. In another way also we can do here. Suppose the first, when you are doing some operation on the numbers, you mean the unit place value will be 8. Okay, unit place value will be 8, and the 0 will be carry forward. The second tens place value will be 24. So 24 plus 0 will be again 24, and the 2 will be carry forward. And the third place, the 100 place value will be 34. I obtained. Let us assume 34. 34 plus this 2 value will be 36. So the above value 3648 will be my answer. Okay. Suppose let me take this one. First I am writing 8. There is a no carry. Next tens place value will be 24. So I am writing 4, and the 2 will be carry forward number. And I come to the next place. 100 place value is 9. So 9 plus these 2. 9 plus these 2, how much? 11. So I'm writing 1, and 1 will be carry forward. And the next is 34. 34 plus this one will be 35. So this will be my final answer. 35,148. Okay. Let us do the sum. And remember one thing. Remember, most of the cases, we are solving the problem on base 10 only. Okay. This decimal system we are using now. So when you are using decimal system, each and every place must be having a single digit only. If you are using different bases like 100, 1000, then the places value will be different. But most of the cases, we are using the base 10. So when you are using base 10, each and every place must be contain a single digit number. Okay. Now try to solve few numbers. 4, 8, 9, 6. I'm going to multiply it by 8. So 4, 8, 9, 6. I'm multiplied by 8. Okay, right. Now see, 8 times of 6 is 48. That is unit place. I am writing tens place here. 8 times of 9 will be here 72. Next value 8 is 64, and 8 times of 4 will be 30. Now I am doing the balancing. Observe very carefully. So 8 I am writing, and the next 4 is carry forward. So 72 plus 4 is 76. Okay. And next I'm adding to the 64. Then I'm getting 71. So I'm writing 1 here, and the 7 is carry forward to the 32. Then I'm getting 39. So this is our final product. Okay. Come to this one. Here 8 times of 6 will be 48, and the 4 will be carry forward. And 9 times of 8 will be 72, and 4. That is 76. And the 7 will be carry forward here. And 8 times of 8 is 64 plus 7. That is 71. Again 7 is carry forward. And 8 times of 8 will be 32. 2 plus carry forward number 7, that is 39. So here this will be the our final answer. What is my point? It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Both of you. Yeah. Right. Now, how to do? Actually, both of you know very well, am I right? This one?
Sorry?
Do you know before this one, Shobhaji?
No.
You don't know. Okay.
The balancing I know.
Yeah, balancing. So,
Okay.
yeah, try to solve these two problems.
But first time I am doing for single digit. So
Okay.
I started with 2 digit.
No,
So
no, why I'm teaching this one because
this is excellent.
yeah.
Actually, first way to know this only.
yeah, I'm not taking any Vedic approach in the multiplication. So there's a
Yes.
reason I'm taking single digit multiplication so that you can understand how
Yes.
to balance. Yeah.
Yes.
So can you try?
Students will love
these-
it.
Yeah. Can you try these two problems? In both ways, try to solve. You are getting the same thing or not. Why? Because in which problem, which approach I will use, I don't know. It depends upon the problem. So every time I will use different balancing. Okay.
So that casting out 11, like which grade students can do that or use it?
Casting of 11 is not necessary to the children below 5th class. You can use it for 9th and 10th grade. That's fine. Why? Because actually, when we compare with the casting of 11, casting of 9 is very easy for them. But in my course, how many possibilities are there in Vedic mathematics? Everything I will deliver to you. From that, you have to choose a best method for the children's.
Oh,
That's
yeah, sir.
the-
Only thing like they have LCM, HF, algebraic revision. So that's confusing. How to make Vedic, which Vedic formula to use there? That is confusing.
Yeah. I will tell you each and whenever I'm taking each and every chapter, then you can get the idea. Okay.
Okay, please check, sir. 2272.
Yeah. 32, 64, and 60. Yeah, 2, 7. Yeah, good, fine. Yeah, Manisha, are you getting same thing?
Yes.
Yeah. Now come to the left to right balancing. Left to right balance. Okay. Here we have to stick one rule. Your sum should not more than the 99. Okay, should not more than the 99. I will tell you what is the sum I mentioned here in the problem. Look at here. Suppose 22. Let me take instead of 22, let me take 2. And then 13 is there. Okay. So what we are doing, we are writing 3. And this one is, we are taking as it is, and we are adding to the 3, then it becomes 33. Then what you observed? See, this is a tens place. Am I right? In the unit place, one will be tens place. So the tens place going to the tens place as a normal digit. But 3 and 3 is there. Let us assume. I'm taking this problem. Okay? Actually, in the tens place, we have 2 only. That means we have to take 1 from the 3 for exact value. So if I'm writing 2 here like this, then 1 is should be carried to the right part as a multiple of tens. Then only we will get here 30. Are you getting my point? What I'm saying here, whenever you are balancing from left to right, you have to take multiple of tens. Okay, and this is the sum. When you are doing the balancing, this sum should not more than the 99. In case it is more than the 99, then we have to use Vinukulam. Got it, my point? We have to use Vinukulam concept. Okay. 2 examples so that you can easily understand. Suppose 38 4 times of, let me take here. 8, yeah, 8. Let me take 8. Okay, observe very carefully. 24. So 2 and I'm writing, and the 4 will be taking as a multiple of 10s. Are you getting my point? We have to take 4 as a multiple of 10, right? Because we're adding to the next.
Okay.
Okay, right. Let me change the question. Question also I'm going to change. Let me take again here 3. In the next question, I will take that. Now, 3 times of 8, that is 24. Okay. So first I return 2 in the first step, and 40 will be carried. In the second step, I'm adding 40 plus 24, that gives us 64. So I'm taking 6, and 40 will be again carried. Are getting my point? So 24 I'm adding, so that I'm getting 64, and 40 will be carried. Okay. And 8 times of 4 will be 32. In the 30 star step, 40 plus 32. So that gives us how much?
72.
72. This is the last step. So you can write directly 70. So 672 is our final answer. In this way, we are doing the balance. Okay. Now, suppose 384 into 85. Okay. Here, Vilokalam also we are using. Vilokalam also very important. So 24 and the 40 is carrying. And 8 8s are 64. And if you adding 40 to this number, then it is 104. I already told you the sum should not more than the
99.
99. Hey, just 1 minute. I got the correct answer or wrong? Is it correct? I have a doubt. Yeah. So can you verify the answer by the Bija? Yeah, that is correct. That question is correct. Come to this question. Right. So answer is more than the 100. So what I'm doing here, observe very carefully. Let me remove this one. Right. Sorry.
You can use. You can go to next board.
Yeah. Right, now see. So what I'm doing here, 384 into 8. So by the observation, I know that next sum is more than the 100. So what I'm doing, 3 times of 8 is 24. So I want to take round of this number, that is 30 minus 6, that is 24. So I'm writing 3 here and 6 as a 60, but it is negative 6. Is the negative 6. So I'm writing this is number as a 3, 6 bar. So I written 3. Okay, I written 3. The 6 I'm taking multiple of 10. So that it becomes 60. Clear my point?
Yes.
Yeah. Now 8 into 8 is 64. So minus 60 plus 64, that gives us 04. So I'm writing 0 and the 4 as I'm taking 40. Now see, 4 times of 8, that will be 32. So I'm writing here 40 plus 32, that gives us 72. So I'm writing 70. Is it clear my point?
Yes.
Please repeat why 36 and not 24?
See, if you take here 40 as it is,
Hmm.
then the next sum will be 104. So 104 means you have to take 0 here. The 1 you should add to the next step, and the 40 should be carried. You have to write like this. Okay, then 40 and this 32 will 70. Then you are getting 3072.
Okay.
Okay. So every time we have to consider 2 digits only from the unit place. That unit place should be carried and 10th place we are writing. In case 100 place digit will come, that for carry forward to the next place. Here, this value I am writing as a carry forward number. This is the value I am writing in this place, and the extra digit should be carry forward. There are 3 steps here. Am I right?
Yeah, sir, but question is 3 times 8 is 24, right?
3 times of 8 is 24. Yes.
Yeah. But you took 36. So from where you took 36, I'm asking.
It is not 36. It is a Vinuplam number.
Okay, 30
36 bar.
minus 6. Okay.
Yeah,
36
30
bar.
minus 6. See, 30 minus 6 is 24. I not change the number.
Okay.
36 bar.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not change the number. So then it is a negative number. That is the reason I written here negative 60. You can observe. Not positive 60.
Yeah.
When we are doing like that, whenever our sum, like after adding the carry number, in case you are getting more than 99, then you have to do like that. Otherwise, if you are confusing, you have confused in that, then you can do like this. I already told you the 4 should be carried and 0 we are writing. After 0, the 100 place should be carried to the next part. Let me take here one more problem. 7, 7, 4 into 8. Not, let me take 9. Okay, let me take 9. So here, this will be 56. I'm writing 60. Okay, so next step 60 plus again 56. That gives us how much? 116. No, observe very carefully. So this extra one is added to 5, and the next one and 60. And this will be 30. So 60 plus 36, that equal to 96. So 96. The final answer will be 6196. Otherwise, you can do like this also by the using vinculum numbers. Okay, so we know that here when you are adding 60 to the next product, then you are getting more than 99. Then the 56, the next number is 60 minus 4. Okay, that is 6 4 bar you can write. Now directly I will write like this here. 60 and a 40 bar, it is a negative. Next will be how much I am getting? 56 minus 40, that is 16. So I'm writing 1 here and 16 carry bar. And the next one will be here 60 plus 36, that is 96. So I will write directly 96 like this. Got it my point? You can use vinculum numbers or you can do normally also. This is left to right balance. Sorry, left to right. Yeah, left to right balance. Clear my point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shall we take 1 or 2 problems and left to right? So try to solve this one. Yeah. No, 104.
Five zero seven seven six.
Yeah, can you verify the answer using Bijan? Whether
Yeah.
you're getting the same thing or not? No, 8 times of 6 is 48. 48 means 50 minus 2. So you have to take minus 20.
50776.
Okay, let me check.
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to do this. 8 6 are
Okay.
48. So 50
So
bar 2.
50 bar 2 means we are taking multiple of 10. Next,
8 4 are 24.
24 plus minus 20.
4.
4. And 4 will be carried forward. Next,
6 is a 36.
plus 40.
Yeah,
76.
70.
6 will be carried forward as a multiple of 10.
Again,
Next, 3 times
36 3 are 18.
18 plus
78.
78. So this is your answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, come to next question.
Yeah, 9 7s are 63.
60.
So
And
70.
3 bar. Why 17? Why there is a no need to take? Why? Because
Okay.
we are adding these two numbers, that is 18 plus
18.
20 is not more than 99.
4 and 18.
Yeah, so next will be 48.
Yeah.
And 8 is carried forward. Next will be 0.
0.
And 8 and 0 carried forward. Okay, next.
36.
36 plus 0 means 36. So 8648. Sorry, 64836 our final answer.
Okay.
Okay,
4836.
clear now?
Yes, sir.
Anywhere
Yes.
you can use, anywhere. It is not necessary to start with a Vinugolo number. In between also sometimes you will get.
Okay.
Suppose let me take here, instead of 20, 29, 249, if I'm taking like that. Okay, so 6 and 3, 30. Next will be
4,
48.
8,
But
40.
80. Okay,
48.
and let me take this is 3. Okay, that means next will be 27. Am I right?
Yeah.
27, if you add to the 80, it is more than 100. So 48, I am writing 50 minus 2, that is 20 bar. Okay, and now it is 27. So
So
0,
07.
70 we are taking. And next will be 36. See, again carry forward we are getting. So the 7 we are writing 10 minus 3. 30 carry forward. Next 4 into
36.
36 minus 30. That is
6.
06. No, 06. 2 digits.
06.
Remember that. Every time we are taking two digits from the left hand side. No need say single digit. Okay, clear?
Okay. Okay.
Now I want to verify whether it is correct or not. Whatever I got the answer.
Second one is 0 9 is coming. 0 left side, right side 9.
Which one, sir?
Verification of second one 7204 into 8.
You have to verify that one.
Verify. When we verify, left side is 0 and right side is 9. So 0 is 9.
Yeah.
Again, 9
Yesterday,
is 9.
this is the fine. This is the fine. I'm taking this problem. First problem I'm verifying. Right. So the Bijangs here, this 9 will be cancelled out. This is the sum is 9, so cancelled out. I'm taking the negative Bijang, 8 will be 1. So 1 minus 4 is 3. The total Bijang will be 3. Okay, the total Bijang will be 3. And here it will be, Bijang will be 6. So totally how much we are getting? 18. 18 means 9 is the Bijang. Clear?
Yes.
Here I'm getting 18. Again I'm adding. Then I'm getting 9 as a bija. So come to the question. And if you see here, let me write this is the minus 2, minus 2, minus 1. So totally minus 5 and plus 5. That is the 0. I already told you in the Bijang 9 and 0 are same. Yes. So that is the reason here my answer will be correct. Got it my point? In this way, we can verify. See, if you do the normal way, 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 8, it will take so much time. If you use the, what is that? Negative Bijang, then you will verify very fast. So now you understood how many types we can balancing? 3 types, left to right and right to left. Right to left, we can have 2 methods. In the left to right, we have only single. Okay, this is very useful when you are solving the problems in a computer. Okay, right.
This method can be taught to which grade? 4th and 5th?
No.
No.
10th
10th grade?
Yeah, 10th and 9th, 8th. My suggestion is to above 7th grade children's. They can little bit easily understand compared with other grades. And for teacher training, you can use this. A new one for them. Okay, right. I hope you understood. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now how to write tables? Okay. First, we will discuss 2 types. Okay. One type we are using Vinukulam number. Another thing is we are doing the balance. Okay. Suppose I want to write 38 times of 4 I want to write. Okay. So simply what we are doing 8 times of 4 will be 12.
20.
Yeah, 12 and 20 will be carry forward. That 20 how to keep in your mind. And 8 times of 4 will be 32. 32 plus 20 is 50. So 150 for final answer. Got it my point?
Yeah.
Please repeat once again.
So what I am saying here, I'm doing the left to right balance.
Okay. Oh, left to right balance.
It is very easy for doing finding the tables in between numbers. If you're writing the tables, that is a different. This is not necessary writing the tables. Suppose 19 times of 9 I want to find. Okay. So 1 times of 9 will be 9. But next number is more than the, the sum is more than the 100. So 9 I am taking 1. 9 I am taking 10 minus 1. That means 1 bar. What is? So that means I am keeping in mind minus 10.
10.
And 8, 9 9 is 81 minus 10 is
71.
71. That is the answer. So need lot of practice to write the answer very quickly. It not comes by practicing 1, 2, 3 problems. Okay. Suppose 27 times of, let me take 8 here. Okay. 2 times of 8 will be
16.
16, but next will be 50 there. 50. So 16 I am writing 2 and 40 in our mind. And 8 times of 7 will be 56 minus 40. That is 16.
16.
So this is our final answer. It is clear.
Yeah.
So this is the one way to write the table. That is left to right method. It is useful for the LS. Okay. Same method. Suppose 38 into 4. We can write like this also. So 8 times of 4 will be 12. So take 120. Why? Because it is in the tens place. Am I right? So tens
Yes.
place 1 plus 8 times of 4 will be 34. If you know the addition variable, then you can say the direct answer. 120 plus 34, that is 154. So 19 into 9. So first number will be 90. plus 81, that is 170. Okay, next 27 into 8. First number is 160 plus 56, that gives 216. Clear my point?
Yeah.
In this way also you can the tables. You can teach them. I hope understood. Can I take next?
Yeah.
You have
Again,
to
this is all multiplied by single digit.
not single. Why?
Means
Because
into 9, into 8.
in the table we have only up to 10 times. Na?
Yeah.
Most of the case. In case it is more than the 10 times, then we have many methods to find the product, like vertical crosswise. There are many specific methods also, along with the
Okay.
so up to 10 times I'm talking. Up to 10 times.
Okay.
You can use this method or this method or next method also. The next methods. Suppose 28 times of 7. So first will be 14 and the next number will be 56. Am I right? Now do the balancing. So 196. Clear my point? Suppose 49 times of 8. So next 32 and 8 times of 9 will be 72.
72.
Just carry forward. That is 392.
I feel balancing is very easy compared to other. Maybe
It
practice.
depends. Yeah, depends you, ma'am. I will give the all the methods whatever I have. Select, pick the best one, which
Okay.
is which method is easy for the children. You have to select. Okay. Suppose 84 times of. Let me take 5 here. So that is 40, and here will be so that 42. Okay, you have to carry this. So in this way also you can find the values. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
So can you tell me the answers? 3 methods you have to use. 3 methods. I will give a 3 problems. 28 times of 9, the first method, and 27 of 5, the second method, and 21 times of 9, the third method. Now this is very easy. Let me take 27. Now by using first. In the first method, what we are doing 18. 18 means we are taking as a 2 and 20 bar. Next 72. 72 means subtract 20. 52. So 252 answer. In this way, you have to solve the first one. The second one 100 plus 35. 135. The third one 18 plus 18 and 60. That is 240. Okay. You can put the slash or without also slash. You can use anything, no problem. But we have to know they are different place values. What is the first answer?
252.
Yeah, first we are writing 18. So 2 and 20.
Minus 20.
Yeah, then 72 means 52. Next one
100 plus 35.
plus 35. That is 130. The next one will be here 18.
18, 60.
60. So that is 240. Clear? In 3 ways you can take any one. Okay? Right. Next, writing the tables. So why I'm taking all these small concept, later you have to tell me what is the product of any number to 10 times. Okay. You have to practice very well. Right. How to write in the tables? So tables, there are two types we can write. One by the balancing, another by the vinculum method. So by the balancing, I am talking about. Balancing the same thing. There is no different. Whatever so far we have done, the same. Suppose 17 table I want to write. Okay. 17 into how many times? 10. 5 and the 6, 7, the 8. Up to 8 times I am writing here. Okay. Right. Observe very carefully. So first thing, there is no doubt about it. This is 17. Okay. Right. Right. First multiply tens place. That is 2. Here 3. Here 4. 5. 1 times of 6. That is 6, 7, and 8. Next will be 2 times of, that is 14, 21, 28, 35. Next will be 42, 49, and the 56. After that, just add the numbers. This is the 17. There is no problem. Here it will be 34. Next 51. Next 68. Next 85. Next one is 102. Next one 119. The next one 136. Clear? Same
Yes.
balance. This is very simple. But in the vinculum, we are considering a specific number in the vinculum. Okay. Vinculum, we are considering a specific number which are very nearest to the base. Numbers nearest to base or subbase. Base or subbase. I already told you what is the base and subbase. Do you know, madam, what is the base and subbase?
No, sir.
No.
Base is
The
100, 10, 100, etc. Base.
Base is nothing.
25 as the sub base.
Base is nothing but 10, 100, 1000, and extra. Okay?
Okay.
10,000 on that. Subbase is nothing but multiple of the base values like 20, 30, 40, or 200, 700, or 3,000, 11,000, like that, whatever. Blah, blah. So on, so on, so on, so on. Okay, all these numbers are subbase. Okay, the number should be very, very nearest to the base and subbase. But vinculum we are using to make the problem easier, not to make the problem difficult. Suppose 23 is nearest to 20, or 29 is nearest to 30. So this is the difficult one. Difficult number means which the digit more than 5. Those are we are considering as the difficult number. So nearest number is 20, nearest number will be 30. So what we are doing, suppose if you are taking 29, so 29 we can write it as 30 minus 1. Yes? Are you agree with me, both of you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Then simply 29 times of 1, that is equal to 29. Then add these 3, then you are getting 5. Next add 3, 8. Next add 3. This is the we are adding. This is negative means subtract. Next 3, 1, 11. Next 3, 14. Next 3, 17. Next 3, 20. Next 3, 23. Next 3, 24. Completed. Now come to this column. we have to subtract 1 every time. So 8, next subtracting 1, next subtracting 1, next subtracting 1, again I'm subtracting 1, subtracting again 1, subtracting 1, subtracting 1. In this way, we can find the, we can write the tables, which are very nearest to the base. There should be contain larger digits so that we can easily convert those number into Vinukula. Okay. Suppose, let me take here. Yeah, look at me. Suppose 23 family. So you can write this number as 2 and 3 only. Yes or no? Yeah, 2 and 3 only. There is no need to convert that one. So 23 times of 1 will be 23. Next add 2. Then 4. Okay. Then here it will be 6. Again add 2. The 2 adding your 2 are adding. Then 10. Then 12. Then 14. Now you are adding, how much we are adding now? 3 we are adding. So 3 adding means 9. If you are adding 3, then how much you are getting? 12. Next 3, how much? 15. Next 3, 18. Next 3, 21. But I already told you, unit place and every place should be contain a single digit, not more than 2 digits. So this number will be carried 92. And here 115. Here 138. Here 161. Are you getting my point? The rules will be applicable everywhere. Whatever rules I told you in the Bijam or a Venukulam or a balancing, whatever rules I told you, they are applicable everywhere. Clear my point?
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Suppose sometimes what happens? Suppose suppose 119 table I want. 11. Let me take here 117. So what we can do here? This is 120 minus 3. Is it correct? So 117 into 1 time will be how much?
117.
That's fine. Now see, just adding numbers, multiple, that is 2, next 3, next 4, next 5, next 6, next 7. Number of times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7. Okay. Now adding 2 to every time. So 3, 5, 7, 9, here 11. Okay, here how much we are getting? 30. Next here we have to subtract the digits. So if you subtract the digit, let us see
4.
what. 4. Then
Minus 1 bar.
Then no. 4 minus 3, 1. Then 1 minus 2 minus 3 will be 2 bar. Next it will be 5.
8
Next
bar.
8 bar. Next will be 11. Okay. Now see. There is a no chain. There is a no chain. There is a no chain. This is the Vinukula number. So we are not accepting Vinukula number. So this is 17 minus 2, 70 minus 2.
468.
So 70 minus 2 means
468.
so here 90 minus
85.
85. So 5,
85.
In this case, before going to solve, we have to do the balance.
Balance 7.
Double digit we have.
7,
1,
0,
8, 5. So 0, 10 minus 8,
702.
7. In this case, also we are doing the balancing. This
8.
one will, and this is minus 1. This is minus 1 means 2 and 1 bar. So 20 minus 1 means 19.
19.
So in this way also we can write the tables by using Vinukulam concept. Clear my point?
Yes.
Yeah, many ways we can write the tables and we can directly, we can say the male value by the balancing. So if you do little bit practice, you can say the answer very fast. But
So
need
please explain last one, 7, 13, and 11. How it became 21? 7 plus 1 is 8.
8 and -1 you are adding to the next place, to the 3.
Hmm.
The 3. Okay, let me do one thing here. Let me do one thing. Every time do the balancing from the unit place. Do the balance from the unit place. That is the must. Okay, right. First, I'm writing -1. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Next one will be, I'm adding this number, then 12. It is 12.
12 minus, yeah, 13 minus 1, 12.
Next, I'm adding 1 to this number, that is 8.
Okay.
Clear? No? Every time
Yeah.
balancing, we are doing from right to left. In this case, because all the problem based upon 10. Clear?
Yes.
So far, whatever I said, clear for everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you give me 5 minutes more? I will tell you another small concept.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So far, we are solved the problem based upon 10 only. Am I right? Sometimes we can solve the problem. Sometimes only. Most of the cases, this one. Most of the cases. Okay. Most of the cases, it is base 10. But few specific type of the problem, we are solving upon 100, 1,000, 10,000, like that. What happened when you are changing the base? Suppose I have 3 places. Here suppose 2 places, 3 places. Here also suppose 2 places. What happened here? Here must be we have 2 places. Here also 2 places. Here also 2 places. That is mandatory. Here we have 3 places. Here we have 3 places. Here we have 3 places. Here we have four zeros means 4 places. Here also 4 places. Here also 4 places. But when you are taking the base 10, what we done? Single place, single place, single. Is it correct? Suppose 18 I'm getting, I will fix the bar. This will be carried forward. But place is fixed. In the 100, we have to fix the 2 places. Suppose extra 1 is there, that should be carried. Suppose you are getting a single digit in the unit place, then you have to make 3 digits. That is mandatory. What I said now? First thing depends upon the base value. There are 2 zeros are there in the base. You have to fix 2 digits. More than 2 digit value will be carried forward. Suppose you are solving a problem based upon the 1,000. 1,000 means every place should be contain 3 digits. But your unit place having a single digit 8, then you have to make it 3 digits without changing the value of it. Are getting that? Suppose if you are solving a problem on a 10,000. Suppose in the unit place, in the 100 place, let us assume 100 place. Your 100 place, you got 27 only. The product you got 27. The multiplication and the multiplication problem based upon 10,000, you got a 27 in 10th place. Okay, 27 in the 10th place. So 27 never accept because here there are
0. Prefix 20.
2 zeros and write the 4 as like 4 digits. Got it? My point.
Yes.
What about you, ma'am?
So
Yeah,
balancing
add
based
zeros
on the
where it is.
balancing based on the base.
Yeah.
Understanding the base
Yeah.
size.
Most of the cases, this one. The few concept we are solving upon this, then we have to maintain as per the number of zeros in the base.
Okay.
Yeah. Suppose based upon 10, if I am taking the numbers like this. Don't confuse. This is the problem. This is the whatever question I am writing, it is based upon 100. Okay. So based upon 100, base 100 I am talking. I will mention whether it is a base 10 or base 11. By the seeing the problem, we know that which is we are using. So don't bother where we have to use. Most of the cases, 99% this one only. But the few cases only 1%. Nigilam Sutra, like that. Okay. Right. So 100 place means 84 I'm writing as it is. Here 43 I'm writing as it is. The extra 2 is carried on. In this way we have to write. Why? Because this is the problem based on 100. Clear?
Clear.
Both of you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you.